Alpine Power Systems proudly supports the world's most essential industries, including utilities and energy. From power generation to grid distribution, the utilities and energy sector keeps homes, businesses, and critical infrastructure running. With demand at an all-time high, reliability has never been more important. Grid failures can impact millions in seconds. Substations, dispatch centers, and control rooms rely on uninterrupted backup power to maintain service and protect public safety. Alpine supports a wide range of facilities, including electric utilities, substations, generation plants, water treatment sites, and energy storage locations. We offer advanced power solutions built for utility-grade reliability, including UPS systems, DC power plants, monitoring tools, and high-performance battery technologies. Alpine delivers comprehensive service, from preventive maintenance and battery testing to emergency response, installation, and safe recycling. Our solutions support NERC, FERC, IEEE, and NFPA 70E compliance, ensuring safe, reliable, and audit-ready infrastructure performance. Designed for remote, unmanned, and extreme environments, Alpine's systems integrate rugged hardware with smart diagnostics and remote monitoring. We help utilities meet their environmental goals with safe battery disposal, recycling programs, and eco-conscious power solutions. With certified technicians and inventory hubs across North America, Alpine is ready to deploy wherever you operate. Learn more at alpinepowersystems.com/utilities and discover how Alpine helps keep the energy on.